In the heart of a war-torn Europe, a city stood divided, a symbol of the Iron Curtain's cold embrace. Berlin, 1948. The Soviet Union, in a bold move, blockaded the Western Allies from entering the Soviet sector, cutting off essential supplies to the Western-controlled sectors. The city was on the brink of starvation. The Western Allies, led by the United States and Great Britain, faced a crisis of monumental proportions. Millions of innocent lives hung in the balance, and the world watched, holding its breath. A decision had to be made, a line had to be drawn: surrender or fight. General William J. Taylor, a man of resilience and determination, was appointed to command the operation. He rallied his forces, and with a steely gaze, he declared, "We will get food and supplies to Berlin, by air if we must." The operation, codenamed Operation Vittles, began with a single plane, a C-54 Skymaster, taking off from London's RAF station. The aircraft, laden with food and fuel, made its way to Berlin's Tempelhof Airport, braving Soviet airspace and anti-aircraft fire. The operation grew day by day. Planes from the United States, Great Britain, and other Allied nations joined the airlift, forming a continuous stream of cargo planes over Berlin. The skies became a lifeline, delivering food, fuel, and medicine to the beleaguered city. The Soviet Union, faced with international outcry and the unwavering resolve of the Western Allies, lifted the blockade in May 1949. The Berlin airlift, a testament to human resilience and the will to survive, had proven that the city would not be broken. The operation ended, but the spirit of Operation Vittles lived on. It served as a beacon of hope, a symbol of unity, and a reminder of the power of determination in the face of adversity. The Berlin airlift, a chapter in history etched indelibly in the annals of time, stood as a testament to the enduring spirit of the human will.